Hey guys, Oscar here for howtoblogtutorials.com. I'm going to teach you how to find and fix broken links in your WordPress blog. Let's have a look. The main reason you want to do this is because search engines do not like it when you have broken links, so they will not send you as many visitors as you could get. And also it gives your visitors a bad experience. So you want to fix broken links as soon as those show up. And how do they show up? Sometimes somebody will leave a comment and their website stops working, or sometimes you will link to another website that changes the location of the page you link to, or simply gets removed. Maybe sometimes you forget to put a link, or the link that you put in is a bad link. So first you have to install this plugin called Broken Link Checker. Once you install it and activate it, you go to the link settings, and these are my settings. I have a 72-hour scan system, so every 3 days the website scans my whole system and looks for links. It also sends me an email when it finds broken links. And this is kind of interesting. It says suggestions, suggest alternative to broken links. The only one I've ever seen come up is trying to link to the web archive version of the link. So this is up to you. And once you set this up, you can also go through the other links, through the other options, and look for broken links in different places. So here you have all the different types of content that your website supports. So I mainly have it checked for pages and posts, events, deals, and comments. The other posts, I don't have anything active, so I don't look at that. And I also only wanted to scan published and scheduled posts. I don't want it to look through draft, pending, private, or any of those, because those are not visible to the public or search engines. Then right here, the link types. These are my options. Pretty straightforward. Protocols, I have all of it. So this is what the system is going to use to check whether a link is broken or not. And then I have a 20-second timeout, so that it has to wait at least 20 seconds to determine that a link is broken. And it only runs when I have my dashboard open. So if I'm away from my blog for a period of time, it's not taking up resources and slowing down the experience for my readers. So once you set this up, these are all my settings. What I'll do next is go to see what it found. Now, the first time you install it, it may take a couple days to give you any meaningful results. So just let it run and keep your dashboard open, or set it to run in the background. So now I go to check right here. So under broken links, so you go to tools, broken links, you will see this. And here I have two different types of errors. One of them says 520 unknown error. If you want to know what exactly each of this error means, just Google HTTP error and then the number code. So for example, we would do HTTP error 520, and this will tell us exactly what that means. So here's a status code. We can look at 520. So this seems like a server error, and we're not exactly sure why. It's shown as a catch-all response. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have it check one more time. As you can tell right here, this link has been broken for 8 days, and it just checked 1 hour ago. We're going to click on recheck just to make sure. It takes a few moments, and then it's going to return and confirm whether it's still broken or not. Then what I want to do is see where that link is being found. So we're going to go to under the right hand side where it says view source. We're going to click on view, open into a new tab, and we're going to see where it is. So here's the so let's see, I don't see the link here. Scene Vine right here. So this is the link, and I recognize it because it says scene. You see this a typo right here. So let's see if it says scenevine.com. So that's broken. And obviously the other one is broken. Let's take a look. So it looks like this is a cached version. So let's try to see if the website's up and running. Apparently it's not. So it could be that it's no longer available, in which case I'm just going to remove it. So I'm going to check on the box and click unlink from one of the drop-down options. Or I could also click unlink right here. So I'm going to do that. So click unlink. It'll take a moment. That will automatically go to my post where it's shown right here and edit it. So if I were to open that post again, you'll see, oh, right here, it's already been removed. So Scene Vine is no longer linked. Okay, so that's one way. The other way is, for example, this one. I know I made a mistake on this because I made a link that didn't exist yet. I have now gone to my oglink.it website and created this link. So watch what happens when a link has been fixed and you tell it to recheck. So we're going to check here. And now it says 200, status 200, and it's okay. I could also say fix redirect or edit URL within this. So I don't have to go into wherever post is found and edit that by hand. I just click right here, fix redirect, or, oh, I don't think that's what I wanted to do. I could also click on edit URL, and then I can put in the direct link to wherever I want it to go to. So this is good when you find a resource that has changed, or you want to point it to a different resource because the one that you were using is no longer available. And then when you're done, after that, basically you can recheck. I just wanted to set it back to the other one that I had originally. Once it says 200, if you click on broken again, then I shouldn't get any broken links. So 0 broken links. There are 2 warnings and quite a few redirects. Don't need to worry about those. And that concludes the tutorial for today. Remember, it's a good idea to clean up all your links every once in a while. So if you find that this plugin takes a lot of resources and your website becomes super slow, make sure you check the settings for how often the plugin runs. Maybe for the first couple of weeks, you want to run it on the background at all times so that it has a chance to catch up with all the links and find all the broken links. When I first ran this about a month and a half ago, I had almost 800 broken links, and I've been fixing those. Now, as you can see, I have no more broken links, and subsequently I saw some traffic return from search engines because the search engines trust my website a little bit more. So that's it for now. If you have any questions about this tutorial, or if you want to see any other tutorials, please let me know in the comments and the feedback down below. All the links for the information I talked about today they're down in the description. So if you have any questions, go check that out. Leave me a comment. If you find this useful, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the video or the blog or both. Hope you have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.